Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, I am going to explain about features of MongoDB. So here you can see that these are all the features of MongoDB: aggregation and grid file system and sharing, document oriented and replication, schema-less database and indexing and add HOC queries and high performance. So these are all. So let me discuss one by one. So here you can see the aggregation. So it is used to analyze the data in MongoDB. It helps to group the data like SQL group by statement. So you can calculate the sum and average and count by using these aggregation functions. So it works directly inside the database. It is useful for reports and data analysis. So here one more is grid file system. So it is used to store the large files in MongoDB. It saves files like images and videos. It breaks big files into small parts. These parts are stored separately and it helps to easily upload and download large files. So here and one more is sharing. So it splits data across multiple servers. It helps MongoDB handle large data and it improves speed and performance. Each server stores part of the data. So useful for big applications and systems. So coming to the document oriented, so stores the data as JSON-like documents instead of rows and columns. So these documents are like the JSON format. It stores the data as documents, document oriented. So it is different from tables and rows. Each document can have different structure. It is easy for developers to understand. So coming to the replication, so it keeps the copies of data on different servers. This helps to protect data from loss. If one server fails, so another will work. Data is always available and it improves the reliability of the system. So one more is schema-less database. So no fixed structure is required for this schema-less database. We can store different types of data. So fields can be added anytime. No need to change entire database. It gives flexibility for the users. So this is all about schema-less database, and one more is indexing and add HOC queries and high performance. So coming to the indexing, it helps to search data faster. So make searching faster by creating indexes on fields. For example, if you often search by username, indexing that field speed up the queries. So no need. So here index is created on specific fields. It works like an index in a book. It reduces query time and improves the database performance. So one more is add HOC queries. So means so for this specific purpose. So it is nothing but for this specific purpose. So HOD queries are queries are created for specific need at that moment. They are not pre-planned or saved earlier. So very useful for exploring and testing the data quickly. So we can run and write them anytime. So useful for quick data checking for analysis. It helps to explore the data easily. So without preparation. So coming to the high performance. So here optimized for the fast reading and writing and handles large amount of data quickly, which is great for real-time application. So MongoDB works very fast and it supports quick reading and writing. It handles large data effectively. So good for real-time applications. It improves the overall system speed. So these are all about pages of MongoDB. So aggregation and grid file system and sharing, document oriented and replication, schema-less database and indexing and add HOC queries and so high performance. Add HOC means so it is nothing but for this specific purpose. So this is all about features of MongoDB. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.